Right, okay guys, folks, subscribers, whoever, thank you for watching. We're down at Harry Jones Funfair today. Now, we don't get too many videos or photos of this fair because they don't like you doing it. Harry Jones Jr. has been kind enough to give me permission to come in and do the stuff once he knew who I was, so we're all good. Now, it's a fenced off fair, you do have to pay £1 to get in. The reasoning behind that is just to make sure that they don't let anybody that looks a little bit dodgy or any drunks in, so, and they've even got security inside as well, so you can rest assured that you're going to be perfectly safe at this fair. Not that I've really seen too many problems. Right, we've got Bronze and Moran's Jump and Smile. It was manufactured by Safco in 1996. Megabones. And behind me, Space Confolding Group. That was made in Czechoslovakia, 2017. Confolding Group. And it is a really warm day here, folks. We're talking 27 centigrade in the shade today. Tomorrow we're talking 34. Now, I've got a ghost train to go on in a bit as well, and I've been told it's extremely hot in there. That's a credit for the channel as well. We do like credits. Now, we're a bit early in the day here, folks, so not much is going around, but at least I can give you an idea of what's here. Now, that's the Sizzler Twist PWS 1988. It's another one by Bronson Moran. And we've got the sun in entirely the wrong place again, folks. We're not having much luck with this sun. Some juvies down here. Hysteria Miami. Now, I'll try and come on sideways on here because this sun's just being a devil. Oh. Like I say, not too much is moving at the moment. We're a bit quiet in the afternoon. This one's Harry Jones Jr. It's made by Nottingham, UK in 1999. Ultimate Buzz. Hysteria. Don't know why this camera's wobbling so much today, folks. No idea. Bloody thing. Right, we've got a credit here. Ghost Train. William Henry Jones. Now, it was manufactured in 1996 by Andrew Bell. The cars are made by Supercar.
Your arms and legs in the car. Hold on onto the small children. Welcome into the house of horror.
Let's just wait for a little kiddie to go on the ride. Right, off they go. I haven't been on any of the rides yet, folks, but I'll be going on as many on-rides and off-rides as possible. Right, you got some dodgems just behind these sponges. He's doing that on purpose. I could see him laugh. The fuckers are laughing. Right, well done. Well done, Funhouse. That's owned by John Humphreys. I think it's Harry Jones that, yes it is Harry Jones that owns the dodgems. It's not something I tend to film too much of. I know there's other vloggers that do it, but I don't know. I just don't think it really works filming dodgems when you're on ride. Bit the same in Miami's. But we will be doing this one. What's your walser? No, it's a Jackson walser. Most of the ones we see are Maxwell's or fair trade, so this one's a bit different. 1972, and that one's owned by John Humphreys. Now it's going to be a bit of a devil for me to get some POVs here today. I can see it because not a lot's happening really. I think it's just too hot. Nobody wants to come out. Either that or else they're staying at home and having a barbecue. Got a Helter Skelter there. That's owned by James Jones. So coming round, yeah, big shout out to Harry Jr. for giving me permission to film because they really don't like it. I have heard other vloggers mention that they don't like you taking photos or anything on site. So a bit privileged here, folks. If you're watching, Harry, nice one. Thanks very much. So leave a like and subscribe for the channel, folks, please. Tomorrow we're down at Pat Collins Funfair in Dartmouth Park at West Bromwich. So from where are we? We're in Wednesfield, aren't we? I always forget that bit. We're at King George V Park in Wednesfield. Harry Jones Funfair. It's on for the weekend. I suggest you come tomorrow because it looks like Saturday is going to chuck it down. So from Wednesfield Park, Funfair audits out.